Right, today we have got one drop of power in extremely weedy conditions by the looks of things. Seaweed everywhere, but for lack of better knowledge, we're going to have a crack. We'll see whether we actually get anything or just lose all of our line. We're going to give it a punt, as always. And thanks for tuning in. This is the one and done. Nice big fat chunk. Let's get it out there. Look at that. A baby tailor, mate. Well, we know there's tailor out there, albeit tiny, tiny ones. One more cast, and then it's the power run. Oh, we're getting good bites here. Oh. Oh, we're onto something here. Oh, we were. Or are we? This might be another one of these baby tailors. Oh. We got him. A little whiting. Let's get rolling. I've got about a 5 knot breeze at the moment. Morning, guys. This is a super quick one. I want to see if there's any beasts lurking. Bright and early, as we normally do. Thanks for tuning in. It's a beautiful morning. And that may have been a nib. Well, that's out. Let's see if we can get another whiting. Just had my suspicions about this spot today. It's normally extremely difficult, as are most of the spots, to be honest, that we fish. Definitely getting that icy winter feel to the mornings now. Hopefully our mic's going okay, it seems to be. At the moment it might be passing us by here. Still a lot of seaweed around. Decent sized whiting, that's 2. Can we get a late biter here? Well, I think we can. That looked like a nib. That's the best chance at a nib we've had yet. So cool. Can we still do it? Give us the zing. Here it comes. The zing is coming. Oh! Huh! Oh! Oh man, that was close. Damn! That was definitely on. Get this one in and move on, eh? It was still worth it, man, because we nearly got it. Damn, that was close. and we'll reload for tomorrow, eh? Oh, so cool. This reel has been fantastic already. It's just so smooth. And we're leveling up, we're slowly leveling up. Even without the Poseidon. The lessons learned, the work done, the fun had. That just got mega swiped. Something had a big crack at that. Stayed on. We nearly got there, but not today. Maybe tomorrow. Alrighty. Quick drop. Let's do it. Alright, we're on our way. Seaweed looks okay. I want to get this drop done. Wind's dropped off a little bit. I'm hoping that's not pots near us, but I think it is. Oh, we got one out. Easy as that, mate. Right, we're out again. Same as yesterday. We're hoping for a super quick one. Oh! Big bite. Are we on? I think we are. Oh, we're on straight away. Whoa. Wow. Oh yeah. You're getting some good bites. This feels like a decent fish. I don't think we hit those pots, which is good. Wow. How awesome is that? Seconds into a drop. We're on. Oh. Good head shakes. Wow. Could we be so lucky? Still got the drag a little bit loose, just in case. Oh, some good weight here. What have we got here? Oh, we're getting some movement now. Oh, good shakes. Oh. Oh, it's really shaking now. Woo! Yeah! No way! Woohoo! Ew! That's a beautiful catch. Well, that is what you call an awesome quick fire round. We haven't hooked on that quick in ages. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch you again.